As per our essentially current off-cost forecast, the worth of AAVE will expanded by 240.70%, coming to $229.27 by end of 2025. All specialized markers most certainly show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and eagerness record is perusing 22.62, and that implies essentially intense trepidation. Our AAVE estimate: it's unsafe to sell AAVE this moment, which especially is genuinely huge. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an exceptionally broad negative feeling among off-cost expectations. See the specific off-cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount AAVE really is worth in the next few long stretches of time, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Throughout the course of recent days, AAVE really has expanded by 13.90%. Because of this, we can really get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of AAVE expanded by 111.71% and came to approach around $133 in an unpretentious manner. As of now, all pointers basically are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness record shows 22.62 intense feelings of dread in an unpretentious manner. As indicated by our conjecture, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell AAVE fundamentally. Presently, AAVE sort of is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA explicitly has shown an AAVE selling signal, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The cost of AAVE is as of now running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell extremely signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $72.88 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, AAVE's genuinely momentary 50-day SMA shows a $67.48. The overall strength record, RSI, force oscillator for the most part, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Hercivalu. This demonstrates that the AAVE market especially is in an unbiased position, or so they sort of thought. AAVE value expectation 2023, in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, AAVE came to $90.21, when it dipped under $51.40. Interestingly, since January 2021, amazingly, as per the financial backers and market sends out, AAVE is headed to passing the $136.03 mark before the current year's over. Before $136.03, it might especially break its sign of $666.86 and arrive at in an unobtrusive manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, AAVE will for the most part break its past all-time high of $666.86 and basically hold somewhere in the range of $129.70 and $136.03 soon, in an essentially enormous manner. At this point, on 21 September 2023, AAVE fundamentally is exchanging at $62.82, and its 24-hour exchanging volume, sort of, is around 106.21 M, and it in every practical sense makes number 43 cash in the entire crypto world. AAVE value expectation 2024, there is plausible that AAVE can get through the $160.89 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In a real sense, the least AAVE cost will be between $134.92 to $160.89. And the most probable AAVE cost will be consistent at around $155.85 toward the finish of 2024. Despite AAVE's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that AAVE will explicitly reach $160.89 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. AAVE value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that AAVE will truly begin the year at $185.30 and exchange around $229.27, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with last year, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. This, in every practical sense, is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. AAVE Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that AAVE 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal, truly most extreme $284.55 level. AAVE, for the most part, is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $277.55 or $284.55 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of AAVE, which is genuinely critical. AAVE Value Expectation 2027. AAVE Value Forecast, or AAVE, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, which explicitly is very huge. AAVE's cost is supposed to outperform $284.55 in 2027. It most certainly has been anticipated that AAVE will arrive at the greatest cost of $284.55, and the base cost by and large is supposed to be around $240.92 in the following a long time from 2027. AAVE Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically say that AAVE Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, AAVE for the most part, is supposed to cross a value level of $319.43 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. In the meantime, AAVE is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $298.36 this year. The genuinely most extreme cost might reach $345.46. AAVE Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the AAVE Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation anticipate that the expense of AAVE will reach $460.72, and the cost of AAVE ought to reach $460.72 before the year's over. Likewise, AAVE can reach up to $423.71 in cost in a significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring critical years for AAVE development. AAVE Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030 AAVE Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $642.02 normal cost level, as per AAVE Gauge and Specialized Investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, AAVE's base cost for the most part is supposed to be $612.41 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, AAVE can arrive at a greatest value level of $659.46. Toward the finish of 2030, AAVE will have a for the most part normal cost of $659.46. The crypto market expects a critical